Welcome to this full review of Communauto, a car-sharing service that's been growing in popularity across several Canadian cities and parts of France. If you're considering ditching your personal vehicle or just looking for an affordable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional car rentals, this walkthrough is for you. Starting with the sign-up process, Communauto keeps it pretty straightforward. You'll need to upload a valid driver's license and payment details, and there's a brief approval period before you're ready to start reserving. The interface of the app is clean and minimal, showing available vehicles near your location. One strong point is how they separate their flex and reservation service models. Flex lets you pick up and drop off cars anywhere in the service zone, great for one-way trips. Reservation is for longer, planned journeys with cars picked up from and returned to the same station. The pricing is relatively competitive. With pay-as-you-go and membership options, Communauto offers flexibility, but there are some hidden fees. For instance, late return penalties and kilometer overages can add up quickly if you're not careful. Insurance is included, but it comes with a deductible unless you purchase an optional waiver. It's important to read the fine print here, as this catches many first-time users off guard. Availability can be hit or miss depending on the city and time of day. In dense urban areas like Montreal or Toronto, cars are generally easy to find. In suburban zones, however, the selection can be limited. Vehicle condition varies too. While most are well-maintained hybrids or compact models, I've occasionally come across cars that could have used a better cleaning or had minor damages not reported in the app. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about user experience. Booking a car is quick and usually reliable, but the app has its glitches. On a couple of occasions, I faced delays when unlocking the vehicle or saw mismatched vehicle info. Customer service is available, but response times vary. It's better to call than rely on in-app support. The big win for Communauto is its commitment to sustainability. Their growing fleet of hybrids and electric vehicles really sets them apart in the green transportation space. And for city dwellers who don't need a car daily, it's a convenient and cheaper way to get around without the costs and headaches of ownership. But be aware, this isn't a perfect system. Availability, fees, and tech hiccups can frustrate users, especially those in less serviced areas. That said, for eco-conscious drivers looking for a flexible rental solution, Communauto is worth a try, as long as you understand how it works. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides. Thanks for watching.